Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Let's take a trip to Glen, Mandeville. We have here a 5-bedroom, 6-bathroom house for sale. The area of land is 18,972 square feet, and the size of the building is 7,217 square feet. The ground floor has 1 bed, 1 bath, powder room, 1 other bathroom, living room, 2 other dining rooms, kitchen with granite countertops, entry foyer, office, double carport, storeroom, laundry room, and the side porch. There is a incomplete family room at the rear. The upper floor has 4 bedrooms, including master bedroom with ensuite bathroom and is and hers closets, kitchenette, sitting area, and patio. 2 other bedrooms, linen closet, family room, front balcony, pool house with ensuite bathroom and gazebo. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 60 million or US $389,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.